name is Nikhil Chopra and I'm in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I joined here, the University of Maryland in 2007, and since then I've also been affiliated with the Institute of Systems Research. My broad area of research lies at the intersection of control theory and robotics. Some of the projects that I've been working on involve network control of nonlinear systems, control of multi-agent systems, and control of semi-autonomous bilateral teleoperation systems. So this broad area is inspired by the fact that we have internet that is everywhere these days via the wireless, and so we would like to not only exchange data but also control signals or control systems using this wireless network. So some of the problems that we have been dealing with are essentially control of nonlinear systems with time delays, control of nonlinear systems with data losses, and the application is essentially to robotic systems. So for example, in vision-based control, you may have delays, or if you are actually controlling over a network, you may have some time delays. So how to handle those kind of problems. I've also been working in the area of control of multi-agent systems, so where essentially of one system you have multiple systems being controlled over a network, which are corporately doing some task, or they may be actually controlled by a supervisor. And again, these problems of time delays and data losses come up. We have also been addressing the problems of connectivity in these kind of systems, maintaining network connectivity by motion coordination. And finally, I've been quite active in the area of bilateral teleoperation, where essentially we have a remote robot that we are trying to control by a master robot here, and that master robot essentially is being controlled by a human operator. So the problem was human-robot interaction over some distances, and is quite useful in areas like telesurgery. In fact, the quite surgical robot being used right now by medical companies, they involve some kind of teleoperation. So our recent work essentially has been supported by National Science Foundation, the Office of Naval Research, and by a cooperative research and education agreement with Petroleum Institute in Abu Dhabi.